Stop. Every time Johnny sneezes, he doesn't let it out. He goes, hi.
Hey!
You're disgusting.
You know a sneeze is 1.5 of an orgasm or some shit?
Well, at least you experienced it in some way.
Yeah, I got a little aroused there.
Oh no, my nose is gonna sneeze. My nose is gonna sneeze.
3. Fuck you, Trader Joe's. The only Joe
gonna
I know
sneeze.
is Joe Jonas. And all the moms can get down and suck me.
I'm gonna sneeze again.
Sucker mom.
Jalapeno cheese dip. For those that don't see, I am a, oh my god,